This is the 7th episode of our Exploring Puerto Rico video series. Click on the card above or in the video description below to see the playlist of all the videos of our trip. In today's episode, we explore Old Town San Juan, then play at a Children's Discovery Museum. We finish off the day swimming at yet a new beach, which is by far the most crowded beach we've visited at Puerto Rico. It's now the next morning, and we're headed to Old Town San Juan, I believe, to go check it out and see what sights there are. Google says it takes about 42 minutes to drive there, but finding parking is where the time can really stretch long. I didn't get very much video of this process because I was stressed while trying to find parking. The streets are very narrow and crowded, so street parking is often totally unavailable, or on some streets only on one side of the road. Finally, we found a ghetto parking garage to leave our cars and walk about 11 minutes to the fort. This parking garage was also fairly central to other things to see in the area.
Lucy, we're going through the tunnel. Hold your breath.
Good thing another car wasn't coming. We've arrived in Old Town San Juan, and we finally found some parking, which was difficult to do. And this is the ocean right over that way, and we're heading over to an old fortress. It's going to be a little bit of a walk this direction, but we have a bunch of touristy sightseeing things to go see, so we're going to be walking a lot. We're parking once here and have to walk everywhere else because it's real narrow streets and virtually no parking anywhere. Hey guys.
Hi.
What are you seeing, Lydia?
Whoa.
Oh, nice. We're now inside the fort, and we're just exploring it now.
Doesn't that breeze feel nice? Look at all those pennies. You think people make wishes there?
Lucy, what do you think? It's hot? Yes, it is. Castillo San Cristóbal is the largest fortress built by Spain in the New World. Construction started in 1630, completed in 1783, to defend against pirates and invaders. It's now part of the U.S. National Park Service San Juan National Historic Site. Sarah, what do you think of the view? You think it's pretty? Is that a quarter you found? Yeah, it's all green from the salt spray, huh? Flying all three flags honors the site's layered history: Spanish colonial era, Cross of Burgundy, the U.S. takeover after the Spanish-American War, and Puerto Rico's modern Commonwealth status. These flags are a nod to the island's multicultural past without erasing any chapter. Lucy, what do you think of the fort?
I like it.
There is no fee to visit the fort, and it is self-guided, which means we just meandered around exploring the whole time. There were some plaques in some places explaining the history of the rooms or objects on display, so that was nice. We're now done exploring the fort and we're heading to the next destination. We're still walking through the city and we are heading up to that other fort up on that corner there. You can see in the center of the screen. This part of our adventure was a not so well maintained part of the city, but it didn't feel dangerous at all. It was interesting to see the contrast between the better maintained and the not so maintained lots as we walked along. We were initially heading to the other fort, but ended up deciding to continue exploring more of the city. This is a beautiful grassy meadow where people are coming and recreating. It's a very nice sunny afternoon. Got some kite flying going on. We are back in the car and we're headed to a children's museum. So we're exiting the parking garage here and we'll head that direction. Here's the children's museum entrance that we're coming to. Are you excited, girls? Yes. Are you tired from the hiking? The city walking, rather? Hey Claire, where are we?
We're going to a children's museum.
We're in a bus that is shuttling us to the children's museum. So we parked over there and the museum's across the street. What did you find, Clara? She doesn't know what that is. This is the entrance to the children's museum. Cool mural. Right here in the entrance they have some hedgehogs.
Looks like Harriet Hamsterbone.
One time when we were in Michigan, we went to visit. So fun. Okay, and then move it.
Show me your movie. Can you push play? Good movie, Lydia. You want to make one, Clara?
Yes.
All right. Lucy, what are you making?
I'm making a farm.
A fort?
Farm.
A farm. Ah.
This is a sheep.
Oh, I see it.
Find a white head. This is a pig, and this is a horse.
Ah. Clara is doing a stop motion animation. What are you doing?
Making electricity.
You're turning it with electricity?
Yes.
That's cool. What are you girls doing? Clara, do you know what you're doing? No? Oh, you're making those particles move based on the sound. Are you making an electrical circuit, Lucy?
Yes.
Cool.
Except I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
They want to go down. I'll take it down.
Lydia, are you catching anything? That looks fun, Lucy.
I did all three of them. And I got to the top.
Good job.
coming if you let go.
Good job.
No!
Oh no, Clara.
It's crushing you.
Mom, take a picture. I am evil and I have all the power in the world. Very evil.
Oh, there you go. Don't cut your head off.
This is a cool elevator, huh, girls?
Yes.
You know what this is, Lucy?
No?
This is a manual transmission. This is the gear shift lever. Is what you're playing with there. You know what that is?
No.
This is the differential. This is what makes it so your tires can turn at different speeds when you go around a corner.
This is the steering wheel, right?
So this is the drive shaft. This is what's getting the power from the engine.
Oh.
And then this right here is the differential. Hey Clara, are you an astronaut? Hey Lydia, are you an astronaut?
Yeah.
Cool. Girls, are you astronauts?
Yes.
Wow, that's cute. Don't take your helmet off, you'll suffocate.
Marshall, let's go. Jump into space. Let's go.
When it gets to 50, push the blue button. Nice. That's pressure. Clara, what are you doing?
Getting down.
Are you climbing? Wow, look at that. Good job. Okay, Lucy and Claire are going to go down the slide and Lucy's going to hold the camera. Turn it around and face it towards yourself. So you're filming yourself. How was it?
It was good.
Good. We are now headed over to the bumper boats, I think is what we're doing. What's in there, Lucy?
Guinea pigs. Do you talk? I guess that's a no.
They have a fun kids play area outside. We are going to the pedal boat. We're on the paddle boats. We're in this little marina here. There's a few other paddle boaters out here, including others with our group. Lucy, how hard is it to pedal?
Not hard.
I'll let you do all of it. Now, how hard is it?
A little bit harder.
A lot of it harder. What do you think, Lydia?
I like it.
Now Lydia's giving the pedaling a turn.
Look at that.
Yeah. You have to sit on the very edge of the seat. Now Clara's having a turn paddling, or is it pedaling both? Are you doing it with your hands?
It's too far over there.
Lucy, how's the water?
Claire said perfect.
Ah, great.
It is perfect.
We're finished with the paddle boats and the kids are now checking out this fun kids park play area. You see the iguana?
Mm-hmm.
How about the emu?
Yeah.
There's an iguana chilling like a villain. And right here is another one. Lydia, have you had fun here?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it worth coming?
Mm-hmm.
What was your favorite exhibit or activity?
Boat we just finished doing.
Oh yeah, that was your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Sarah, what was your favorite thing we did today here at the museum?
Balls.
The balls? The balls in the blow tunnels? Oh, okay. And we're back on the shuttle, back to the car. We're now headed to a beach that is on the north side of the island, and we're going to try doing some snorkeling there, see if we can see any colorful fish. Well, we finally made it to the beach. It's really a lot more crowded than all of the other beaches we've frequented so far on this journey of Puerto Rico. This is how crowded it looks from here. Let's go get closer to the water and see how crowded it is. Yep, 100 times more crowded than usual. But that's what you get when you're right next to the biggest city on the whole island. Hey Lucy, what did you think of swimming with the fish?
I loved it. I loved it.
Yeah?
A few times I was really close to touching one.
Yeah, and then right when you get just about to touch it, it just takes off, huh?
Yeah.
I even saw a squid.
You did?
Yeah.
Just now?
No, it was earlier. It was acting like it wanted to be a plant. And when I got close to it, it just took off in an instant.
That's funny.
Alright, we're packing up and we're gonna head back to our condo. We're back in the car, heading back to Aquatica. Girls, what did you think of this beach?
I loved it. Loved it.
What was your favorite part?
The fish.
And what about the fish? You got to swim with them?
Yes.
Alright, let's go back to Aquatica. In the next episode, we take a ferry over to Culebra Island, spending the day at Flamenco Beach. The water there was much clearer than what we experienced today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.